we'll be taking a look at how ABBYY Timeline can be used to construct best practices protocols around your incident workflows, and also operationally monitor, then alert interested users anytime those protocols are breached. So we'll start by looking at the Protocol Analysis module now. This allows us to build in an expected series of steps and timeframes for certain tasks within our incident processing to be completed. In this example, we've got a break-fix protocol that says, as soon as we have a fix defined, the incident needs to be resolved in less than 2 hours. Otherwise, we're going to be breaching this protocol. Now I can use this to build an alert that will show me at 1 hour, 1.5 hours, prior to us breaching this unacceptable threshold of 2 hours, and Timeline can automatically alert interested parties so that they make sure that we can get eyes on any given break fix as its critical deadline approaches. Now, as opposed to only looking at new data coming into the system, we can also use this for analysis of historical data that we've already got within the tool. So when I click Show Violations here, all the various ways that this break-fix protocol has been violated, along with the root cause, are shown. So it's not just telling us, hey, you had a protocol violation, it's actually outlining for us exactly how the protocol was violated. So for example, a step happened the wrong amount of times, or happened in the wrong position, or we had a time violation. Each one of these violations may not be created equal. So we can decide which one of these we are interested in analyzing. For example, maybe we'll focus on time violation. We can apply that specific violation as a filter. And now, when we come back to our view, we're just looking at those 9,800 plus incidents that exhibited that specific protocol violation. Now, in turn, we can use this to, as I mentioned, operationally monitor and automatically alert people so that they don't need to be sitting around and babysitting the dashboard as data is flowing into it throughout the day. We can build out these alerts graphically to either notify people by email or by text message. We can even connect via web services that incidents are coming in and we are at risk of breaching any one of our given protocols. So we build that accountability into the process to ensure once we build that protocol or best practice, it's no longer going to be breached on a go-forward basis.